Hey happy campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to be taking an inside and outside look at this 2024 Keystone Cougar 290RLS. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell notification because we have a lot more videos coming your way. Now, let's get started. Out here on the outdoor entertainment side, we have this beautiful open area and a couple cool things as well. We do have our indoor-outdoor speaker system. This is probably one of my favorite things that they add to some units because you can have your music both inside and outside, so you can have your party anywhere you want it and have that music blasting as well. We also have one slide out here, and we do have two awnings. As you can tell, we have an awning that is right above me, and it does go over that door. So if it is raining outside, you want to step out here, you don't want to get wet or anything, you're going to be fine there. We also do have another awning over here on our slide, and we also have two LED strips, and they're under both of the awnings. So if you do want to have an outside party at night, it's going to be nice and illuminated for you. We also do have a cool thing about this Cougar. They do have your side toppers already on there, so that's just a nice added bonus. Now, let's look at the storage. Our storage is located in the bottom of the front of our Cougar, and as you can tell, this storage space is absolutely massive. And one thing about this, we do have cubby holes on both sides. You can see it over there, and I do have one over here as well. This is perfect to put these wires and other items in. They can just easily fit down here and kind of be out of the way and give you this nice open space up here. And this flooring up here is super easy to clean out, and as you can tell, there are little grippers on there too. So if you're moving down the road and you have things down here you don't want moving around and stuff, they're gonna stay pretty well in place down here. We also do have our tankless water heater over on that side, and this nice light strip up here as well to keep everything nice and bright down here. You do have your convenience bay over on that side as well. That just has all of your hookups that you're gonna want while you're at the campground. Now, let's take a look at the inside. When you first walk into your Cougar, over to the right, you do have your in-command touchscreen control panel. This has all of your items such as your lights and your awnings all in one place, and it is super user-friendly. Also, under these stairs down below, you can see we do have a little shoe cubby. This is perfect for when you first come into the door, you want to kick your shoes off and just place them under there. Great little space for that. Now, let's check out the kitchen. In this same area, right across from our entryway, we do have this hutch. This is kind of like a catch-all area, so if you're coming in, want to throw off your keys or maybe a purse, you can put it up here in this storage area. There's also a little bit of open storage right here to throw your keys, change, wallet, other things. We also have this open counter space right here. There also is an electrical outlet, so if you want to charge your phone or your tablet, or maybe you want to have a coffee machine or right next to the door, so you can just pop in here, make a coffee, go back out to your entertainment side, you can do that too. We also have a little bit more storage underneath here, perfect for board games or other items. And right next to this, we do have our pantry area, and this area is huge. It opens up on the bottom and the top, and down here is a huge open area. This is perfect for cleaning supplies if you want to throw a trash can under there, or there also is a washer dryer hookup, so if you want to put your washer and dryer in here, you have space to do that as well. Up here is more pantry area, and you do have this movable shelf in here, so if you want it up a little bit higher for maybe some cereal or other items, you can do that. And then we have more storage up there. I honestly can't reach that, but the taller people in your family can. Maybe I can. A little bit. The taller people in your family can definitely reach up there and put stuff in there. Now, let's check out the rest of the kitchen. My favorite thing about the kitchen is this island area. This is gorgeous and just kind of ties things together and makes it really feel like you're at home. This has plenty of counter space up here. So if you do want to have a buffet style meal for the whole family, you're going to have plenty of room to set it up here. There's also lighting underneath this, so it kind of just brightens it up a little bit if you want to see things a little bit better, or just make it look a little cuter. You have that too. We also have plenty of drawers over here, perfect for your silverware. Maybe you could even throw some magazines or other stuff you want in the kitchen in there, maybe a cookbook. And then also we have our sink in the island, and they even added these nice little toppers in here so you can set stuff up there, or as a little drying rack. Your sink also has a retractable nozzle on it, and underneath it, there is some more storage here. You can throw cleaning supplies in here. It's very open. You could even fit one of those smaller brooms down here as well. To the side, we have this. It slides out and gives you two garbage cans over here, and just another little storage thing. And they even give you a little thing to put your paper towels on. Love that. Also, above me, you can see this nice accent lighting. As I said, it just really feels like home in here, and these lights just kind of add to that feel and gives it a very aesthetic look in here. And let's move on behind me to your one slide in the kitchen. This slide does have your fridge, and this fridge is humongous. It opens on both sides. You have your freezer side over here with plenty of room for all your frozen items, and your fridge side over on this side, and they even have these shelves in here, perfect for your Capri Suns or other little drinks and juices. Over here we do have our 3-burner stovetop. Underneath that we have an oven, and there is a drawer on the bottom. I wanted to open that up and show you guys. That's enough space for your pots and pans in there. We also have a little bit of storage on both sides. You can put some spices, maybe some other pots and pans in there. You could even fit some cookie sheets in there, the smaller ones. Up above that we do have our microwave, more storage on both sides for spices and other things. And up here they've even given you a little bit more storage up there. Now let's check out the living area. In your living space and entertainment area, we have this huge smart TV. This TV is actually on a swivel, so whether you want to watch it from your kitchen or your other few couches in your living area, everybody can get a view of that television. There's also a little bit of hidden storage back there, so if you have some items you just kind of want out of the way and you want to put them back in that area, you can do that. We also have lots of storage over here. One of the best things is this gigantic drawer. This pulls out and it is absolutely huge. You can put magazines, books, maybe you want to throw a laptop or a tablet in there. You have so much space to do that. No matter what you want to hide away, it can go in there. We also, underneath that, do have this great big fireplace. This is perfect for those winter months because this does act as a heat element, or if you just want it as a light, you can just light that up without turning the heat on, which is something awesome. Above the TV, we have a little bit more storage. This opens up and gives you that great big space in there to store stuff, and we also have the controls to our indoor-outdoor speaker system. Now, let's check out the couches. In our living space, we do have 2 couches, and this couch actually doubles as a sleeping space as well. So if you have multiple people going to the campground with you, they do have a place to sleep too. We also have plenty of storage, so if they need a place to put their bags, they're gonna have room to do that. There's storage up above, and as you can see on both sides, there's a little bit of storage in there. These 2 little side tables are perfect if you want to throw a water over here, have your snacks, you can do that. Plus, on both sides as well, there is an electrical outlet and a USB and USB-C port. So if you want to charge some of your electronic items, you can do that too. Now, let's check out the other side. In our other side, we have our second couch in the living space. This is our theater seats that are right across from that TV, so it is the perfect area to watch a movie. These also recline, have a couple of drink holders, so if you want to drink a glass of water while you're watching your movie, or maybe you want to have an adult beverage, you can set those right here. We also have a couple controls over here. There is a back massage element, a heated seat, and also a button to kick these feet out if you want to recline. There's also a little bit of storage right here, perfect for a book, a remote, or if you want to stuff some chargers down in there too. Also in this slide, we have our freestanding dinette. This dinette is actually super big and roomy, so if you want to have dinner with the whole entire family, you have plenty of space to do that. And these chairs are actually very sturdy and comfortable. And as you can see behind me, there are so many windows back here. So while you're watching a movie or eating your dinner, you're not going to miss out on those gorgeous campground views. Now, to the bathroom. In our full bathroom, we have so much space back here. You're not going to be pressed for space, and a plus of this, you can skip out on that campground bathroom. We do have a medicine cabinet back here with our mirror and storage behind it. We also have our sink with storage below and to the side, enough room for all your toiletries, and there's an electrical outlet. So if you want to have your hairstyling tools there, you can do that as well. You can see that I'm in this massive shower with a skylight. So if you like a little bit of natural light while you're getting ready in the morning, you have that here too. This shower is absolutely roomy in here, and you have your detachable shower head, a couple of shelving units in here for your shampoo and your soap, and you also have this seat. So if you need to take a break while you're in the shower, you can do that too. Over here we have our step to flush toilet, and we have some more storage over to the side. This is perfect for your towels and your washcloths, and you can also hang a towel behind that toilet on this nice little hanging rack. Now let's check out the master. In your private bedroom, you have a queen size bed and tons of storage. There's storage on both sides of me, both at the top and the bottom. And there's even above storage. So if you have a couple of bags or maybe some shoes or stuff you want to throw up there, there's plenty of space to do that. And down here, we do have reading lights, electrical outlets, and a USB and USB-C port for your electronic devices. We also have so much room to walk around. If you think you're going to be pressed for space in this bedroom, you don't think you're going to walk around well, think again, because it is very wide and plenty of room to walk. Now, let's check out the closet. Beside of our bed, we have this massive closet space. This opens up and gives you a hanging rack for your clothes. If you have a little bit of nicer clothes you don't want folded up, you can put them in here. And there's an area below, perfect for your bags or your shoes. Also, on the side of that, we have a couple of drawers, maybe for your socks or your underwear. In this open area, you can put some nicer purses up there, maybe your watches or your jewelry that you want to see easily. You can put that there too. So much space back in this bedroom for all of your belongings. If you're interested in this Cougar or anything else in our Keystone line, make sure you give us a call or visit us at cookevilleRV.com, where your adventure awaits.